Today is Friday, last Friday of the month, and you know what that means? United we stand. So, MechTech, OBT, that's where we're headed. See you there.
Hey, what's up? My name is Daniel Romero. I'm YOTAGANG's official bodyguard here. So let's go see some cars, yeah? It's big money moves, not funny moves. So let's start off with YOTAGANG's very own. You feel me? You know this car's famous. Went to Miami. Few self broke on the road, but that never stop us. Let's peep the rims, yeah? Let's peep the rims, man. Let's see. Look at that camber. Look at the camber right there. Come on. Right here, we got the black on black FRS. Clean. Wild body kit right here. You pick the rims, you know what I'm saying? Right here, look at this, look at this. We got the carbon fiber, target fiber. And right here, we got the E46 M3. See over here? This car would be a 10 out of 10, but it is a vert. Not the biggest fans of work, but it gets a plus point. We got the BBS rims on the mug right there. What's a good unique car? Wow. We got the rose gold with the gray and the baby blue right here. I am make love in the fitment and how this car is looking. If you want me to give you guys an honest rating, I would have to say this is a solid 8.5 out of 10. Loving it. Hey, what's up, guys? We got the Suzuki Samurai over here. This thing, super rare to see it clean, and even more rare to see it completely mopped out. Right here. Manual. You peep the rims, you peep the speakers. Blue on blue. We got the Blueberry Fago over here.
What up, yo? My name is Matt. Y'all see me the last time I was here. I think we had a video before. I was hosting.
We with Danny the bodyguard, you feel me?
Yeah.
Official bodyguard.
Bronx.
That's it. Brooklyn.
Jersey.
Let's make it happen, baby.
Let's get to it.
Let's make it happen.
Yeah, first. Did you check that Honda over there with the super wheels? That whack ass super wheels? I ain't gonna lie, it's actually fire though. I'm not gonna lie. Tell me not, Danny, this junk fire or no? One day I'm gonna get there. One day I'm gonna get there, for real. One day I'm gonna get there. About the fitment there though, you think that's W fitment? We check about the fitment. I think that's W fitment. I don't know. That's fire though. What you think, Danny?
Y'all let me know about the color right there, the pink.
Nah, that's whack. If you a man, well, I mean that's a man color, I guess you could say, right? That's a man color. That's a man. Put
in the comment section what you think. Yo, now you got it, bro. Now you got it.
This is what Daniel could have had. What Daniel could have had before the TSX, but he decided to sell it. So, right?
He could have been a big boosty boy.
He could have been in the streets racing. He could have been outside, for real. Look at this, bro. Intake. Look at that. Ooh, carbon fiber. What is that? Damn, though. It's fire. It's fire. I like the headlights, too. It's fire. Everything's fire right here. Danny, what you think?
Nah, the colorway is crazy. The colorway is crazy. I'm not going to hold you. The colorway is insane.
You got to get Jay in there. Jay, what you think about this car, yo?
I'm just looking, chilling. I'm looking more at the...
Let's go show them what the bodyguard does.
Imagine.
Right here, man. M2, tough. TUFF. Crazy, son. Fitment, the colorway, the lights, yo, they doing everything right, the right way. That's it. It's a European action.
You see that t-shirt? You can get it right here. Right here. Turn around, turn around. Not this one. You get it at that guy. This one's sold out. Oh, sold out. But you can get this one though.
Yo, why you always got those undies?
What we doing? What we doing?
We beatboxing. We at the booth. You know what I'm saying? At MegTech. Check it out. Check it out. We live. We live. Back in the building. Yo, my man Onyx, how you feeling today?
You feeling good?
Right?
Little successful night.
Vibes?
A lot of cars. Vibes are solid like always. Every month.
Oh, yeah?
W.
Hella cars?
Hella cars. Hella nice cars. We got bikes. We got benches. We got side-by-sides. We got music. We got stance cars. We got kids. We got babies. We got toddlers. We got everything. A little bit of everything. Super family friendly.
Don't forget to crop the new merch.
Yup. Let me take you through. Come here.
Check it out.
Check it out. Yo, just to let you guys know, YOTAGANG dropped new merch. We got the Celica Miami Prep shirts. We got Chaser Worldwide. W message, you gotta read it. Banners. Best prices, by the way. Yo, but check out the shorts though. Check out the shorts. Brand new YSG shorts. Brand new. You ain't gonna see nothing like it. New Corolla, Camry, and a Heavenly Drop. And then to match it all, we got the flags, boys. We got the flags. Let me know. Best prices in town. You ain't never gonna get a booth like this. Come on. Come on. Hi, my name's Noah. Hi, my name's Noah.
I'm not talking in this video because my voice is gone, so.
So this is it. We are done for tonight. Thank you. And you know, everything was good. You guys did your thing. We're out here. Blah 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 blah. Hey, so guys, thank you again. It was a good turnout. We did very good. You guys blessed us. You guys showed some love. You guys got my boy sick, but it is what it is. We made it happen. We dropped a nice little video for you today. And thanks, bro. Just thanks. And one more time, hold on.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and all that. Hopefully you guys can hear me.
Wah, 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 wah.